So why do we need to find the lowest common denominator? Well, remember that we have to find a common denominator in order to add or subtract fractions. In our very first example, we needed to have 90ths in order to add these two fractions together. In the second example, we needed to have a common denominator of 2ks squared in order to add these two fractions together. Once we have a lowest common denominator, we multiply the numerator and the denominator in each fraction by the factors that are missing to change our fraction into an equivalent form. So for 18, it was missing a factor of 5, so we multiplied by 5 divided by 5. Likewise, for the denominator 2s squared, we multiply this fraction by k over k, since k is the missing factor from 2s squared. When we multiply by k divided by k, we're really multiplying by 1, and we're changing our first fraction into its equivalent form. So let's go back to our third example of finding the LCD. We found the lowest common denominator for these two fractions, and it was p minus 1 times p minus 2 times p plus 3. Remember, we want to change these two fractions to an equivalent form. So here's your question. What should we multiply each of these fractions by to get an equivalent fraction with the lowest common denominator of this?